Asami Jamfi Bill no wone dwumadi asronko a ekoso ewo Asempa FM ekosi sei kasaye e ma ne kire se obi antimi hunehuna no na yentie ne nsem no se de osi eka no.
The more reason why what you are coming or you want to hear the tone saying ye kaya hu bom se ba kofo ma e ye dwumaden e ton ye man ye frank to for his excellency John Dramani Mahama or one the power in this particular Ghana. That aban we are omo de omo betena see krono ko an omo omo betena see abusia mamu ko an omo ye omo betena see tenende ne ahurihuna because omo ni edwuma in pebiama o my Ghana omo betena see e ka nko an omo buruku o as omo da ya so piti from musi impunti ma from nyedi aban always the public person on needless things na emunipa ye sika yeto a yetia no omo de enrich omo ho. This government must be kicked out by us at all costs. So you to me anya na ye ti yankasa ye ho abro ye ti o minor bro e ti sirima bro. And posterity will not forgive us. And you can find where your comedy even as we get closer to 2020. Your information say omo be more.
Yet was na yako